So in this problem, we're given that you start selling electronics, and you're given two options here. You're given one with a base salary of $14,000. This is option A. And a commission of 10%. So we'll say 0.1C. 10% times the commission. Okay, or times the amount of sales. And then option B is 19,000, and you get 4% commission, so 0.4C. Okay, and the question is, what level of sales do you have to have so that option A is greater than option B? Well, if we set these two equal, first of all, to find out just where they're equal, because if I can sell more than that, then option A will become greater. Then I have 14,000